Hello, my fellow scientists. Welcome to another episode of Science is Everywhere, the home edition. My name is Marie Lanka, and I'm from the Children's Discovery Museum of San Jose, and I am back this week to put art and science together with a really cool experiment called paint poppers. So this one can get a little bit exciting. So you'll notice when we get into the materials that we're going to be using some things that maybe we haven't before. So paint poppers are going to be using a science idea called effervescent. So let's put that down here, effervescent. That's a big word, but don't be scared. I'm going to walk you through it. So what does that mean? That is a type of reaction. So it's when bubbles or gas are formed inside of a liquid when a chemical reaction is happening. And holy cow, that sounds very complex. So let me show you an example using some Nunn tablets. You may have seen these before. These are just something that kind of help you out after you exercise. So let's take a look at that and see effervescence in action. Okay, so regular glass of water. And if we check out the side of our package here, it says effervescent, which means that when we drop these into water, they're going to, you probably also saw the word fizz, or give off a gas and start dissolving as a chemical reaction. So in it goes, and you see all those little bubbles? That's effervescence happening. So we'll speed it up so you can kind of see the chemical reaction as well as that tablet dissolves into the water and all the fizz is left. Now that we've seen what happens in just a regular glass with water, I want you to think about this. What if we were to take our little container, pour the water in here, drop a tablet in the top, and then do this? This might change some things. So before I get any further ahead of myself, let's go ahead and look at our materials. Then we'll go ahead and put our paint poppers together, and then we will go outside and do our experiment. So let's go ahead and look at those materials. Okay, everybody ready for the experiment? Get those goggles on, and let's go. Can everybody take me seriously with my glasses on? The experiment's over. I'll go ahead and take them off. So what happened? How did our paint poppers work? Well, we put our water inside of our container. Then we also mixed it in with some food coloring. That was our paint. Then when we went outside, we dropped an effervescent tablet into here, capped it really fast and turned it upside down. Well, once we did that and stepped back to a safe distance, this right now is starting to react like we saw with the glass. That gas is starting to form, which also means that pressure is starting to form inside this container. Well, that gas has nowhere to go, and more is being produced in that chemical reaction. So it's kind of building up in there. When it gets to be too much, and then you have your two pieces you kind of have to chase after. But that's okay. Then you put the next color out and put some more paint down on your piece of paper. So that's how paint poppers work. They're effervescent tablets, build up gas until they pop. So good job today, scientists. Hope you enjoyed that experiment. If you would like to show us what your experiment looked like or share any memories that you have from the past 30 years. Again, we are celebrating our 30th anniversary. We're still trying to get our heads around that. We'll go ahead and give you a hashtag. We would love to see everything that you're doing at home, as well as any memories that you have from the museum. So thank you for tuning in today. I will see you next week. Hope you have a wonderful rest of your week, and we will see you next time at Science is Everywhere. Bye, everyone.
Thank you for watching our virtual Purple Museums broadcast. If you're enjoying this content, please consider making a donation to support our efforts. Our summer broadcasts are every Wednesday and Friday on Facebook and YouTube. Stay in the loop by joining our email list. Visit www.cdm.org and sign up today.